What's going on? It's Chris here with Man Health Channel. I want to talk to you about 3 muscle fuels that I know you're not optimizing. And I'm not talking about protein. These 3 fuels can help your muscles grow, recover, and really optimize every fiber of them. In this video, we're going to discuss exactly what those 3 muscle fuels are and how you can optimize each one of them to become the best version of yourself. Let's get started. I was one of those guys who believed that protein was the only source of fuel our muscles needed. If you're one of those guys who just chug down a lot of protein and really don't get behind the science of it all, in this video I'm going to talk to you exactly what those 3 essential muscle fuels are. Let me explain. Let's talk about a muscle fuel that everybody's heard about: carbs. But what does your body actually do with the carbohydrates once you actually eat them? Your body takes the carbohydrates you eat and it turns it into a substance called glucose. Glucose is used during high intensity workouts. So think about HIIT, sprints, or any high intensity resistance training. Your body's gonna grab that glucose, it's gonna use it, fuel those muscles so that your body can actually have a ready, available energy source that it can burn quickly. So what I like to tell guys is think of glucose as a tank. Whenever you're working out, you're emptying that tank real quick. So what I tell guys is you want to fuel up your tank, fill it up before your workout, and you want to make sure after your workout that you fill it right back up. That's what we call the anabolic window. That's that amount of time you have after a workout to take in some more carbs to replenish your fuel tank. So again, the number one source is carbs, but carbs turns into glucose. Again, that's fuel source number 1. Talk about fuel source number 2. Fuel source number 2 is fatty acids. There are 3 types of fatty acids: omega-3, 6, and 9. Fatty acids really play a role in long duration workouts. I'm talking long jogs or something that's going to take you 45 plus minutes or longer. Your body's going to burn through glucose, so it's going to burn through fuel source number 1. It's going to come to fuel source number 2, those fatty acids, whenever something's too long. So you want to make sure that you build up on your 3 main fatty acids: omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9. Fatty acids also play a role in hormones. Yes, I'm talking about the manly hormone testosterone. So you want to really make sure that you build up your system with omega-3, 6, and 9. That's fuel source number 2, fatty acids. Last but not least, let's talk about muscle fuel number 3, which is amino acids. Amino acids play a very key role in muscle building. Anytime we work out, we create micro tears in our muscle fibers, and amino acids go into that muscle fiber and actually repair it. So that's very vital to building muscle. There are 20 different amino acids, and 9 of those are actually essential. Essential means that you have to get those amino acids from a different external source. This can come from the food you eat, which is dairy, eggs, and lean meats, but you also can supplement for those 9 essential amino acids. So what I like to tell people is if you're gonna choose to supplement to make sure you have a surplus of these 9 essential amino acids, there is not a right time or a wrong time to actually take these amino acids. What I like to do is to take my amino acids right after my workout. It's not because of science, it's just because of that's how I think. If I'm creating those micro tears, I believe that supplementing with those amino acids right afterwards will actually help with that repair. So guys, those are the 3 different types of muscle fuels. You have your glucose, you have your fatty acids, and you also have your amino acids. I'm Chris with Man Health Channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video where we discuss another men's health topic. I'll see you over there, guys.